Good Friday morning, Mighty South Hawks. Welcome to Harlingen South, home of the Hawks, the biggest Class C's birding Texas and the best school in the nation. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance, Texas Pledge, and a moment of silence.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. And now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. And now for this morning's announcements.
Attention all sophomores and juniors. There will be an informational Zoom meeting for all students interested in running for class officers or student council for the 2021-2022 school year. The meeting will be on Monday, April 19th at 4:10. Attendance to the meeting is mandatory if you plan to seek office. Zoom link information will be sent to your HISD email. Contact Ms. Galvan at veronica.galvan@hiSD.org prior to the meeting if you are unable to attend or need more information.
Congratulations to the following South Latin students who have qualified to participate in the 2021 Virtual Junior Classical League State Competition, which will take place April 23rd and 24th. Senior Mayrin Vega, Classical Art and Mythology. Senior Evelyn Vega, Sight Recitation and Classical Art. Senior Kylie Reese, Roman Life and Reading Comprehension. Senior Kayla Noriega, Mythology and Roman History. Junior Camila Sanchez, Vocabulary and Latin Derivatives. Junior Michaela Ledesma, Sight Recitation and Reading Comprehension. And Junior Isabella Silva, Roman Life and Classical Art.
Attention South Hawk students. Harlingen South High School will be offering dual enrollment courses for fall 2021. If you're interested, please contact either Mrs. Atkinson or Mrs. Ocunas for more information at 956-427-3800 or nora.atkinson@hisd.org or tracy.ocunas@hisd.org. Deadline to submit Apply Texas, TSC Parent Consent, and passing TSIA scores is April 21st at 4 p.m.
New attendance incentive for face-to-face students only. Beginning March 22nd, face-to-face students who attend school all day for 5 consecutive days, Monday through Friday, may clear one course of first semester credit.
Online registration for the new year 2021 through 2022 is now available through Parent Access Center. Please complete at your earliest convenience. For any questions, please contact the registrar's office.
Attention seniors, if you have not completed your financial aid applications, please do so as soon as possible. This is a requirement for senior clearance. You will need your 2019 tax forms to complete the FAFSA. If you need help completing the FAFSA, you can contact your college advisors by calling 427-3800 extension 1556 to set up a Zoom meeting.
Seniors, if you have received any scholarship offers from any colleges or organizations, please let your college advisors know. We use scholarship offers for several end-of-the-year events. Don't miss out on an opportunity to be recognized. If you'd like to apply for scholarships, you can visit the College and Career website found on the South left page for a list of April and May scholarship deadlines.
Seniors, if you are face-to-face and have not signed the senior banner or picked up your senior shirt and mask, you can come by room 905 during asynchronous times to sign and pick up your senior gear.
This concludes our morning announcements.
Faculty, staff, and students, always remember to keep smiling and think happy thoughts. And our motto is,
Hawk pride, a step above. Thank you, and have a fabulous Friday.